The last manufacturing step in getting newly approved therapies to patients or getting new therapies to be tested in clinical trials is the manufacturing of the drug product. HALIX offers you, our client, flexible and cost-effective solutions for aseptic filling and lyophilization for clinical and commercial scale. We provide GMP-certified production capabilities with an automated filling line processing over 1 million vials per year. With our wide range of validated vial sizes on our automated filling line, we can realize your desired filling volume in a final sterile container. Viral biological products for which BSL-2 conditions are required can be filled in our dedicated and strictly separated Class A filling area. Fill and finish activities of your drug product can be complemented with customized labeling and branded secondary packaging. Our first-in-class experts can support you in development of the formulation and lyophilization to ensure stability of the product. With a full quality control support for release testing, HALIX offers a safely manufactured product which can be administered to patients. HALIX is your partner for GMP manufacturing of clinical and commercial drug product and will enable you to make that last step to get your product to the patient. Challenge us. We look forward to work with you personally and to lead your project to success.
HALIX, Bioscience as a Service.